Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming which restriction is blocking Apple ID sign out on your device. Check whether the block is from screen time or from activation lock. Read any error messages carefully and write down the Apple ID email shown. Also record the device serial number and IMEI if they are available in settings or on the device casing. Determine whether you are the device owner or a family member using managed settings. This initial assessment guides the correct legal path to resolve the restriction. If activation lock or account restrictions block sign-out, contact Apple support for official help. Provide valid proof of ownership, such as the original receipt showing the device serial or IMEI. Apple can assist with activation lock removal when you prove ownership and confirm account details. Be prepared to verify the Apple ID email address and answer security questions or provide a purchase invoice. Follow Apple support guidance for identity verification rather than attempting unofficial bypass methods. If you own the Apple ID, use official account recovery to regain access before signing out. Visit Account Recovery and follow two-factor authentication steps or the account recovery process to reset your password securely. After regaining access, sign out normally from settings and remove any linked screen time restrictions. If a family organizer sets screen time limits, request they remove the restriction for you. Always use lawful recovery and support channels rather than attempting technical bypass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.